Hi, I'm Weiqing Zhang. I'm faculty member in Chinese Area Studies major and minor program. I'm from the Department of World Languages and Cultures at UMD. So every year, I will lead the students to the summer program of language and culture in China. It's a 6-week, 6-credit program. We will go to many places like Shanghai, Suzhou, Hangzhou, Beijing, Xi'an, and Datong. So where we are going to visit the historical relics and also learn the Chinese, experience the Chinese culture, taste the Chinese food, and also we will have the direct contact with the local people to improve our cultural competency. So you will experience a lot of different things that are completely different from your own culture, and then, well, this will broaden your vision and also get to know more people. So welcome to this program.